Okay, this is a little game they've been playing all night. They smack each other. They try to throw each other off. And there was 3 left as winners. And everybody else finally was... If I shake this camera, I'm sorry, because they're crawling up my legs. And I can't stand it. I've got them up off the... I got my feet up off the ground. And they're still crawling up my legs somehow. It's just freaking me out. Okay, let's go back. Okay, this has been like a game. So, watch. Oh, here we go. They're fighting. Now watch. Yep, there goes one. Okay, watch. They're going to start knocking each other off. There you go. I gotta check my legs. Please don't crawl on your legs. Sorry. Okay. And I don't want to get too close. I'm afraid they'll jump on me. Okay. I don't know what they're doing, but they're not going to leave 5 up there. Or 4. I don't think. Okay, now watch this guy. They just knocked this guy off or whatever. Or he flew off, but he's crawling back. Maybe he's pissed off. Yeah, he's got a little ways to go yet. Crawling on my legs again. Oh, I can't take it. Sorry. Please take off my legs. Oh my God. I'm so sorry to shake the camera. Okay. We'll stop it and so that's what's left there. 4 on this styrofoam thing. Whoa, that one took off. Okay, let's see if I can get this one way over here. No more playing. Oh, please, don't crawl up my legs. I knock them off and they just start again. Oh my God. Okay, they're just everywhere. All over my stuff and my tools. They're thinning out though. It's getting daylight. And they've been doing this on this styrofoam board pretty much most of the night. Ah! He landed on me! Cut it off.